Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and here we have to find the option Security. Let's tap on it. Now let's move to the device security section, and on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap. And right here we've got the first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be quite confusing because here we have to add the pattern pin or password, so a screen lock method. If you've got one currently set, then no worries, you will be just transferred to the next step. If not, you really have to do it right now, just like I have to do it. It's actually crucial because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So there's no way that your device will allow you to have only the fingerprint without any backup screen lock. So let me pick, for example, the pattern. You can of course choose whichever option you want to. Let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it, and confirm. And as you can see, here we can decide what we want to show on the lock screen. So we can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's basically up to you. All you have to do is to simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, just like in my case the second one, and tap on done. And here we've got the information about the fingerprint actually. So for example, that you will be able to use it for unlocking the device, or verify the purchases, authorize the purchases, and so on and so on. Here you've got the information how it works, that you can control it, you can delete it, and so on and so on. So just tap on I agree. And here we've got the actual information what we have to do. So we have to touch the sensor, which is located on the power button right here on the side of your device. So all you have to do is to simply put the finger which you will normally use for unlocking the device. So let's put it on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times. So put it and release the finger in order to add a lot of places of the finger, a lot of areas, of course, for better recognition. So your device will be able to catch your fingerprint. Alright, and as you can see, we just successfully added our fingerprint to this device. If you want to, you can add another. If not, just tap on done. And we've been transferred to the options connected to the fingerprint, which are not really impressive, I would say, because basically all we have to do and all we can do here is to change the name of the finger and remove it. You can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon. You can rename it, just tap on it. And I'd like to rename it for index. Tap on OK, and you can add another fingerprint. I'm not really sure, but I think that you can add up to 5 fingerprints. So right now let me just lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.